Okay, here, let me pass this off to somebody.
Here, just
Give it, come over here. Hey, Shannon, come here.
I was going to tell you, if I don't have any breakage, because it happens.
Like this.
Never mind.
Never mind.
You're the first person on my list, okay? But I mean, it does happen.
Okay,
You know, when you have
be
stress.
quiet now so we can hear, ladies.
Ooh, excuse me.
I didn't mean you, I was talking.
It's all right.
There she is, there she is.
That's terrific.
Okay. Bridgie, are you next?
Yes.
Okay.
Here's your book. Got it, Shannon?
This reminds me of Marge as a kid. Remember the dresses that I did for the kids? I was designing a line of little girls' clothes. And I made every one of them a dress. You know, it was in the 70s when they were
Go on,
wearing the
Bridget.
white boots and the... Beautiful.
Such poise.
Yes,
Do
really.
you have a piano at home?
Yes, not like this. But
No, but you have a piano. So the,
you can practice.
No, they just came
All she
here
needs
and-
is
well, I wondered,
10,000
have, if they
hours,
had
and she'll be an
ability to have a
outlier.
special place they
She will
go to,
become
or
famous.
no?
Well, nowadays you can have a piano.
Your little
that's
little keyboard.
That's right.
affordable because your
Slowly,
computer's playing
turn
these
slowly.
days.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
Wonderful.
Okay, here's Shannon.
Shannon's on the piano. another one? Or are you gonna wait? Okay.
Now,
Now, I have to tell you,
Wonderful.
while they've been here, they get terribly creative. And they put on plays.
Oh, how fun.
And they go all,
That's cute. That's
they go
cute.
all
I used to
over.
do that with my sisters.
Yes, they go all over finding props
oh yes.
and scenery. They have been through all my fabric.
Really?
And we have it on YouTube. I'll send it to you in case you want to see it. At one point, Shannon was the director, and they were not doing what they were supposed to.
Can I see?
I need to learn a language here. Yeah. What a great time to learn a language.
Oh, yes. You
Oh,
are
yeah.
very fantastic. Bridget, what was the name of that?
Robin Hood.
Okay.
Again.
We've got to get a copy of that photograph of those dresses.
Yes. No, she needs the
I want to frame it. It's so wonderful.
Is that it?
One more.
Only one more. Okay. Encore. Yay! Yay! Encore.
Clap your hands.
Anna.
I don't think they would. I don't know. How long have you been doing it a year? How long have you been doing this place?
Oh, a year.
Never
No.
know.
It's been on and off.
But how old?
Total?
No, how old is she?
6.
6.
Okay.
Your shoes aren't bad.
Thank you, Bridget.
Good job.
Okay, I think we better go across the road.
He was probably there waiting for us.
Huh?
Hi, Daddy.
I assume you figured out you were missing something.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi there, buddy. How you doing?
Next thing I know, all my family.
I'm waiting for my
Pretty nice place. Let's go. Anna, little Miss Screamer. That's Molly. Loves zooming in on her.
Shannon? You guys want to get some hors d'oeuvres? Mark, you want to come get some hors d'oeuvres?
And on 10. Gotta put mine up there. That's my water, that's my coffee. And see? Yeah. See, it's Anna. You like Anna? Something. I'm gonna take a video of me. Hi. Hey, am I right? Yeah, I'm looking at myself right now. It's funny. Anna wants to see herself. Anna wanted me to videotape myself, so now Anna wants to see herself again. Bye. She calls me Shasha. Mommy. Mommy's not here, Anna, okay? 1 second.
around at the two openings. What I would have done is just. Oh, that. Oh, yeah.
And that's Molly's big head. Yeah.
You need imported.
That's Molly. Funny face. Molly, smile. Smile, Molly. Not like that. Okay, that's better.
Well, I
Some guys that have not taken my food.
now that which will just be done.
Molly.
Yes, it is. It's close to me.
Molly, you want to see yourself? Molly's making funny faces when she sees herself. Don't do that. That's disgusting. Well, there's not much to see in here. Why did you say water? Molly's being sorry. Molly's being very rude. Molly, stop. Oh, and look at these pretty colors together. That's my dress, part of my dress. And then like my rubber band. Oh, that's towards me. I can just see myself. And I have a pretty flower right there. Yeah. This is me. And my dress goes down. Look! Shannon, make that. This is looking at me. And I have bunny ears. See them? Aren't they cute? Get off my hand. Okay. Still, she continues to make bunny ears. Miss Molly, bunny ear maker. I don't want you looking at her silly faces. Stop it. Quit it. Okay. There's not much to videotape in this very loud, noisy room. It's not very much to see. I'm just gonna turn it off, okay?
What kind of plays have you done?
Animal play. Lots of other.
For canvas, but it doesn't.
Responsible. They can print all the money they want.
They would have to legislate
Boys.
co-op.
One thing about the military is
They could do it. And they
Like I said last time, this place is very crowded and finally we
I gotta stand up. I'm sitting too long.
water. It's very cold.
told me I was in a conference with MP, and
I have no voicemail. I had one call and it was from Bonnie.
It doesn't have anything in it. It's gone. It used to be there, everywhere, right over there. So the place is halfway gone.
I got there at 10 minutes ago. And the next bit was killing me because they had me lie down on the table. Inside, and he was holding, he was playing with the paint and covered it. He was holding it like this way.
Huh. Here I am. Hi. I'm just videotaping myself for no reason. Turning that around for no reason. The camera screen for no reason. That's a mirror. That's another mirror.
I know, Yach Club.
Control.